Comprehensive training that replicates real-life hazardous scenarios is key to enhancing critical thinking, improving situational awareness, and significantly boosting productivity. Introducing the Forklift Safety Plus Add-On Module, the next step in safety training available for forklift operators. It includes scenarios for experienced operations, refresher training, and preparation for recertification. The module provides the perfect complement to the Intelia Forklift Training Pack. The simulated warehouse two-stage mast forklift has a 3.3 US ton load capacity with adjustable forks. Complex exercises take operators through challenging scenarios that push safety training beyond basic requirements. Operators improve their lifting skills while managing balance and maneuvering safely. Quick safety reminders help build good habits. Realistic weather and environmental hazards mimic real-world challenges. In complete safety, operators practice handling dangerous situations with heavy forklift and foot traffic. Take your training program to the next level and never miss a teachable moment. Coupled with Intelia Instructor, instructors can trigger faults and changes in weather in real time to add complexity to exercises. This next-generation training management system tracks important performance metrics and safety violations. These valuable and unmatched insights help operators be well-prepared and better equipped for their jobs. Used around the world, CM Labs stands apart through its commitment to pioneering simulation-based solutions designed to solve real-world challenges. Let us show you how. Visit cm-labs.com now to learn more, or call us at 1-514-287-1166.